Hi guys, thank you for stopping by. My name is Satini. I hope you are well. So today I wanted to try out some nose rings. I've always wanted to try out having a nose ring, but this is a false nose ring, so I would love to wear a nose ring, but at the same time I'm way too scared to actually have my nose pierced. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I got myself some false nose rings, some false nose piercing rings. Anyway, I got a fake nose ring. That's basically it. So I bought a couple and I like them. I've always seen women who have nose rings as having like this badass superpower. You just walk in the room and you know, it looks like you're comfortable in your skin, you're comfortable in who you are, you don't care what everybody else says. So I also wanted that vibe. So I'm going to try this out with you and you can tell me what you think. You can tell me if this is a look for me. I asked my husband and he was like, yeah, no, this is not for you, but I don't trust him. So yeah, let's try this out. So just to film this and so you can see this clearly, I've brought you quite up close just so you can see the nose rings. These beautiful earrings, by the way, are from a lovely brand called Essential Clay. I will link them down below as well. This video is not sponsored by them, but I love their stuff. I love their stuff. So first of all, this is the first one. This is what it looks like. So these are fake, like I said. So basically that's how you take it off and that's how you put it on. My only concern with this is that what if you're running, does it actually come off? No, it's actually pretty steady. Like unless you're going to a really wild party, it will stay on. And this is my favorite because it's got a little bit of it's like little stones in there. Oh, there you go, like little stones in there. I love this. Sorry, my face is a little too much up close and personal, but I love this. Okay, so we're gonna go through the back. I'm going to remove this one and then we'll try out another one. Like I mentioned, I bought this on Amazon. You can get this anyway, to be honest. You can find it on Shein. Is it Shein or Shein? There's a lot of places where you can get these. Next, I have this little baby. I think some of them you have to stretch them out a little bit. Or is it like this? Okay. I think this is how you wear this one. I think this is that's how it looks. I feel like I'm not wearing it the right way. I honestly know that I'm not wearing this the right way. But this is how this one looks. Not my favorite like the other one. I think I'd rate that one. I rate the first one a 10. I would rate that one a 5. Not a huge fan of that one. Ooh, I like this one. I like how simple it is. Simple, elegant, not too much. I like this one. Also holding on pretty well. I rate this one an 8. This one's a little cross. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I'm not really a fan of, you know, things that are religious kind of inspired jewelry, but this is what the little cross looks like. I think you have to push this in a little bit, but it's pinching me a little bit, but I know you have to push this in a little bit. But anyway, that's basically how it looks like. It's a tiny little cross, looks cute. Next off, we have this one, the little flower. There you go. Very nice as well. My concern with these is that they are pinching a little bit. They are pinching a little bit. There we go. Okay, the flower's cool. The flower's cool. I like this one. I am going to rate this one a 10 as well. I love it. Oh my gosh. I actually like this one more than I like the first one. This is cute. This is giving me like, you know, those singers who are like with the beautiful hair, and they're just doing the slow dance. Yes, but I like this one. It's cute. We have this one. I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know how you put this one on. This one looks a little complicated, but we'll try. I think this is, come on, focus. I think this is how you I think this is how you put this one on. I'm not loving this one. Do you remember that movie? I think it's a James Cameron movie, Apocalypso, something like that. This is what this reminds me of. It looks like a cowbell. This is a no. No matter how you wear it, this is still a no. Okay. I don't know. This is just not my style. Next up, we have this little baby. Like these are so tiny that you ask yourself that how am I supposed to do this? Properly, or it could be a bin because it was the first time I'd ever worn it. Maybe after a few tries it should be easy, but I'm not gonna try it out. I don't know, should I? No. But anyway, if you know how to wear this and take this off, this is pretty. But yeah, that is it with my try on nose rings. You can buy this on Amazon, you can buy this on, you can basically buy this on Wish, to be honest. I think I spent £8 on this, including the delivery, so it was relatively very cheap as well. But yeah, I will wear some of them, I will ditch some of them as well. But yeah, thank you for stopping by, and if you sticked around till the end of this video, I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification button. Goodbye.